So I want to give a huge shout out to Skillshare for first of all sponsoring this episode, and second of all for teaching me as a beginner how to use watercolors. I knew I was gonna make this video where I would try out watercolor like for real for the first time, but I remember when I was a kid that every time I used watercolor or I tried to use it, that it would be pretty bad. So I decided to watch some classes on Skillshare, and they were actually very helpful. For example, I had no idea how you can blend with watercolor, and the first class I found actually explained it very well, and it's very easy actually. I'll link some classes below that I found very helpful for making this drawing. But for real, I've been using Skillshare for ages now, and it's actually so helpful if you're trying to learn new things. Like editing wise, if you want to make your own videos, they can help you with that. Or design, or business, or technology. Anything you want to learn, they probably have a class for it. And it's pretty cheap as well. For less than $10 a month you get access to all the classes they have to offer. And the first 500 people to click the link in the description get a free trial for 2 months, so why not give it a try? Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching and peace.